Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove collaborators from Google Drive. So all you have to do is open your Google Drive. This is a phone version, a mobile version, and then just tap on your file, one of your file here, and tap on three dot a beside your file, and then tap on manage access. Here you can restrict it. You can tap on restricted, only people added can open here. So if you want to enable or want to make a collaborator, just tap on anyone with the link here. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.